What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today is, let me just check this lighting real quick. Today is the 17th. This video was actually filmed, most of it on the 15th, which was Sunday, when I met up with FREEZMA and we did some filming. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you to everyone that came over from FREEZMA's channel. I appreciate you, and welcome to my channel. But stay tuned for the rest of the video. See you guys later. Peace. It is Sunday the 15th. Documented. What's going on, guys? It is super duper busy here for the Commonwealth Games, but headed to the gym right now. Not training today though because my wrist is messed up somehow, but instead I'm filming with FREEZMA. You should check him out. He is located in the Gold Coast doing vlogs, YouTube, so I've been following him for over a year. So I said, hey, let's film a video in the DMs, and he didn't respond. But then now fast forward like 3 months, I guess he saw my videos or something, so we're going to meet up right now to shoot one. It's gonna be a day of festivities. What is going on, guys? We just finished that edit. I hope you enjoyed it. Everyone on my man FREEZMA's channel is giving it a rating. So this is the man, the myth, the legend. I guess I'll introduce you. I found him just because he is located in the Gold Coast where I am, and basically does the same things except for on a much higher level. So I slid in the DMs and then he slid back into the DMs. Yeah, I mean, now we're linking up.
It was funny, like, I'll tell you what, guys, the reason that I have teamed up with Matt today, because he messaged me a couple months ago, but obviously I get like a lot of DMs, so I didn't see it. And then I just happened to, like, he's been doing lots of vids here on the coast for people, expanding his portfolio. Through word of mouth, one of my mates showed me his profile, saw his work, and I messaged him back, and then I seen that he already messaged me, and I was like, oh fuck, like, the circle. So if you wanna go places in life, guys, get shit done for people, do as much as you can, build a portfolio. You wanna be the guy that, like, people come to, you know what I mean? And you've got that track record to show what you can do.
Get your name out there and get shit done. But now we're just editing the video that you just watched, so hopefully it is sweet.
We're on a time frame.
Yeah, we're trying to upload his video tonight. So
tonight we need it up.
Yeah, so we're in the process of editing it so we can toss it in there and then he can upload it. Time to get to work.
Time to do some real work. None of this fake filming work.
Yeah, no fake filming.
None of this vlogging work. Yeah. It's not work when you're filming it, and then when you edit what you film, that's the work.
That's when people think down.
You know, people think vlog life is real easy.
Yeah, vlog life ain't
got
easy.
No idea.
You'll be spending hours behind the computer. All done editing. We just finished in time. He's gonna upload his vlog at 7:30 and it's 7:15. So the ammo finished right on time, but that's probably the fastest I've done a video and an edit. I think we did like 4 hours, like hour and a half shooting in the gym and then like 2 or 3 hours editing. I think it turned out all right. Go watch it. I'm gonna link his video in the description, so go check that out. Now I'm going home, so peace. We're headed to the gym right now and I'm shooting with a client today, so we're gonna do some sick editing. So literally just got halfway through the shoot and was told that I'm not allowed to film at the gym without permission. Now I have to literally email the manager and ask for permission, which isn't the worst because they said it's usually a pretty easy process. I just need to say that I want to film in the gym and make sure I get no people in the background. I thought it wasn't gonna be a problem in Australia, but I guess it is at this EMF because people have tainted the scene by posing there and shit, but I think we might hit a workout, I don't know, so let's see. All right, so I ended up going back to the gym and doing calves. I just did like 10 sets of calves, got a serious pump. But saving back for tomorrow with FREEZMA, we're gonna film that again, so that's gonna be sick. But now it's time to eat some wild fish and chips. Looks friggin' delicious. But I just want to show you guys. I entered a giveaway. It's the Moment Invitational, and it's basically just a filmmaker contest where you vote for your favorite film. So obviously I voted for my man Jesse Driftwood. Guy kills it on Instagram. So I gave his film my vote, and then you can do like the visit people on Instagram or follow people on Instagram. We get extra entries and also share your link. So look how many entries I got. 3,010 entries, and there's 72 minutes left, so I'm hoping I win this. If I win $15,000 in camera gear and travel, so that's gonna be legit. Shout out to Moment for dropping this giveaway. So now it's time to eat this burger. All right, so we got a grilled chicken burger with some cheese, some tomato, some other goodness, some regular chips with some chipotle mayo. Delicious, bulk life. Cheers, mate. All right, we're back. We actually decided to go to the movies after we had that chicken burger, and we saw Truth or Dare. It was what would you rate that movie out of 10?
7.
I'd probably rate it like a 6.9 or a 7. It was all right, but
6.9.
it was a little bit. It was
wanted to be under.
No, I just wanted to do 69.
Oh.
It was a decent movie. It was kind of a little bit cheesy, but now we're home and I'm doing some video stuff. I'm getting my business cards in order.
Don't show them.
Why? Gotta show the peeps the business cards that are coming in. The key thing about business cards is that it's so hard to offer your services to people in person and in real life, especially like businesses, if you don't have a business card, because then you can't really leave them something except for like tell them your Instagram handle or your website. This is what we're working with. The front is just my standard logo that I've used in all my videos just to keep it consistent. Got a smaller version there. This is the back. Professional video services, my name, and then my phone number, email, and Instagram handle. So that's gonna be a clutch for talking to businesses in person when I get them, and it's not even that expensive. Well, let me just review and purchase here, see how much it is. I think it's like under 20 bucks, I don't know. Vistaprint caught me with their checkout offers, and they got me to look at a mouse pad, so I think I might buy it. Actually, that's pretty jokes to have a Rally Vision branded mouse pad since I spend so much time editing on the computer and whatnot. It's only soothing, right? And I'm only using paper right now, so it kind of makes sense. Jokes. So we're grabbing a mouse pad, grabbing 250 business cards, all for the friendly price of $32. Cheers.